your cage today? Did you make all those fluff balls? Did you? Did you? Did you? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Vlogmas day 13. Woohoo! It's day off today. I decided to let Dave just decide what to do today. And at the moment he's like, well, go out. And I'm like, well, where are we going out? And he's like, well, out. And I'm like, well, where? Don't know where we're going yet. Don't know where we're going. Day number 13. Oh gosh, it's stuck. Ah, there we go. Some holly. I've only just noticed as well that the holly is like detailed in the middle. I thought it was actually like detailing, but it's not. It's actually cut in the middle. It's the first time I've ever seen that after years of having this. There we go. Wee. Time to do Dave's advent calendar.
Lucky for some, it's another pair of socks.
That is very lucky.
That is lucky. Thank you very much. I've already got one.
Oh, you're already wearing some of your socks.
Matching.
Oh,
look at that.
They do fit. Oh, look at that. And now it's time for
Dave's advent calendar hasn't had time to wrap up this year. Hands out, come on.
What is it? What is
Read
it?
the package.
A magnetic key. Hold your keys. Oh, what, on the fridge? You need this.
So do you. The amount of times.
So it's a magnetic.
It hangs on the fridge, and then you put your keys on the fridge, and then we know where they are. Da 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 da. We need some keys. Where's the keys? Hold on.
Oh yes.
Slightly sliding down a little bit.
Oh, he can't take it.
He's like,
he can't take the weight.
I think he's okay now. Yeah, he's okay.
Oh, that's quite impressive.
See?
Wow.
Yeah.
That's alright, isn't it?
Now we need to get two, and then we have one for each of us. Look at that.
Yours will sink further down.
It'll go.
That's pretty impressive. Well done, Dave.
You're welcome.
Wait, hold on.
This is like Steph's test.
He's staying. I just found Dave doing this. You alright, Dave?
Now, even though it looks really windy, it actually looks very therapeutic and very calming to a point. I wouldn't go in the sea, of course, but it looks very nice, doesn't it? Look, there's sand, Steph. There's the sand that you wanted. Look, you can even have a sea bath. There's all the foam. Blob, 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 blob. And today is very sunny and very windy today. We forgot to get our sunglasses, and it's too far now to get our sunglasses.
Yeah.
So, like in previous videos we've been in before, you're just going to see our eyes very squint.
I'm doing this.
And going.
Like we're searching for something.
Well, what's on the horizon?
Where am I looking today?
Where are we going? Hey, what's going on? I haven't got any food. You're just happy because the seagulls aren't around, aren't you? You're like, wait, I can fly around here now.
We can roll the beach.
Steph, just to remind you,
Oh no.
this is not a toilet. Go somewhere else.
I pulled the plastic out.
Steffi. It's actually really cool though. It's exclusive to Debenhams. Oh, what? Yeah. That's cool.
Oh.
Actually quite sweet. Actually very adorable. For the small price of £400, you can buy this arcade game. And it says it's easily assembled. You have to assemble it yourself. It says try me. I can't try it. Anyone from the older generation remember these? But these are different. These are just echoey ones. The ones I'm remembering.
That's what I remember.
But no, these when you used to switch it on, and you can actually put like a. It used to be different. These one aren't the same.
These are like Meccano.
How cool is that? Meccano. Build your own truck. Very nice. I need 5 of those. That's not bad. Are you feeling plucky? When every man is confused when the girls go to the makeup section. It's just mind-boggling. This is like alien to me. This is when the guy comes into this section, he's lost. Majority of
Here we go, Dave, I'll teach you.
Thank you.
Jingle bells, here. Ooh, select payment type.
Go on, pay Santa. That's what you gotta do, pay Santa.
What's it? Elvis then?
So you go to Elvis then?
Yeah.
Insert cash. Or touch me.
Thank you very much.
Then let's build a snowman.
Primark time. It plays music.
Does it?
No.
It does.
Every day.
It's really nice.
Oh, it feels lovely.
That is a whopping
£16.
Look at these type of jumpers. Could you say they look very Harry Potter-ish?
I think so.
Slytherin, Hufflepuff.
Pretty much.
Looks like here in Eastbourne they've had a little bit of a rejig and moved a lot of Disney and Harry Potter stuff to one side. And they've got these cushions that are £6, you say?
Yeah, £6.
Nice, aren't they?
Hi, Pop.
Got a neon light. We saw one of these in Blackpool. But
Yeah,
black,
they were
wasn't
really
it?
nice, yeah.
That's nice, that is. Very nice.
What's battery
See,
operated?
that's nice.
It's not lovely.
See, if that was here when I was doing my thingy,
Yeah,
I probably would have bought them as well.
that's really pretty.
That's really sweet. Mary Poppins stuff has arrived. Like candles, cushions, cups. Well, that's a Marie throw, but still.
Yeah, Marie Pro.
Duvet sheets. I was like, Marie. Well, there is a Mary Poppins throw there.
Yeah.
And then it's all the genie stuff still here as well.
For £1 now.
£1 now, bargain. Turkeys are in Marks and Spencer's.
Dun, 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 dun.
Here's a little hint, what we always do. Best time to get
Boxing Day.
Boxing Day for your turkeys is this time. Even though Christmas Day is for turkeys for Christmas Day, they sell these at such cheap prices, don't they? Like there was one time that we bought so many we just had them in our freezer.
Yeah,
remember?
and because you know turkeys are a really good source of protein and it's really healthy for you,
Yeah.
and we just cut them up into steaks and just
Yeah, might have to do it this year. Hopefully in Boxing Day, we'll see. Moved into Marks and Spencer's and Steph's found this.
Dinosaur.
Diners.
I've also found. Could you imagine being on a plane with this?
It feels very
I mean, I'll probably slide off the chair.
yeah, and
Off the
cause
plane
cause like a
Static
shock. Yeah,
That would be amazing, wouldn't it?
feels quite nice though. It says loungewear, so it's loungy. They've got all this Disney stuff. They go on 50% off at M&S. Like they've got princesses, and they have Mickey and Minnie.
Like it's a lip palette.
Yeah, it's good.
Little bath set. It's a
That's
body
pretty
wash
cute.
with a poof.
And you've got some, I think it's bath
Bubble
gel or
bath?
shower. Yeah, bubble bath. That's
Do
it.
you remember that? Was it matey?
Matey, yeah. These
it
are the
Matey
pirates,
set?
didn't they?
Yeah.
Pirate sets. And then they've got the men's section. I think this is like body wash.
Look at the
think.
she masks.
You could be a llama.
Oh, I want to be a llama.
Gonna be a llama?
Yeah, life's too short. Yummy! Dave's making gravy. We have decided that we are going to make bangers and mash with chicken sausages.
Yeah.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. And I completely forgot that I have these, which are pigs in blanket tea. I don't know what they're gonna taste like. Apparently inside it's got apple pieces, sage flavouring and rosemary, which I can kind of understand it now. Let's go and brew one of these up and let's try it out. Just open the packet.
Oh no. Oh no, oh no.
I don't know what that smells like.
I know what it smells
What does it smell like?
When you go into a haunted house. It reminds me of the Exorcist, the room.
Halloween Horror Night. Oh, whoa, that does not smell right. Oh, I'm beginning to regret this. Okay, let's get one. There we go. Right. I don't know if I'm going to like this.
Steffi's trying the tea. She's vlogging at the same time.
I can't even put it to my face.
Hey, you can welcome to the stream.
I can't put it in my face. Hold on.
Jenny, thank you for the Ethan, thank you for the 50 likes. Is this? It's pigs in blankets.
Right.
So
it tastes as it smells.
That is. Wash your mouth out.
Might have to. Oh, go on. You try it.
Alright, let's try this. It doesn't smell good. Like, who thought of this and thought this was a good idea?
Who approved this?
That's not too bad, Jack. I couldn't drink all of that on my own.
No, it's not. It's not right. We're streaming as well at the moment. And everyone's like, what does it taste like? It tastes awful.
In the chat, say hello to the vlog. See everyone, so you got Head, Sarah, Kaz, you got Damien, you got Alice, Kaz again. Everyone say hi to the vlog. Thank you very much. If you guys want to check us out on YouNow, we do live streaming like this. Today we're making bangers and mash. So everyone here is on the live chatting to us. Thank you for the dinosaur. Thank you.
This is a game changer. Mashed potato, frozen mashed potato. Dave wasn't too sure until I cooked some, and now he's hooked.
Bangers and mash, all ready. Homemade onion gravy.
Oui.
Iceland frozen mash. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Hungry?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful, darling. Beautiful, darling. Enjoy. We're in our jammies and Dave's got his onesie on. Yeah.
And look, we've put batteries in these and switched them on.
They look really good.
They look really cool. If you didn't know that, Dave actually did a Primark haul, Christmas Primark haul.
I did.
For me. So he chose all the Christmas decorations. So these are all on and they're very sweet.
Yeah.
Very good. And just to let you know as well that the candle is still around. We missed yesterday's, so we're just going to let it burn through.
Steffi wants to put some face masks on. I'm going to put your Pawsome. It's energizing one and it's got little pictures of dogs on them. And Steffi is using one that we actually got from Japan. And it's like a gold one. She's going to put a gold one on her face. So let's see how this goes, shall we? I look like something from a horror film. Like I've got a scar on me. Ooh. Is that even right? Oh yeah. It's fine. It does look fine.
It looks fine.
I'm just trying to make sure I got you. Look at Steffi. She looks even more weird. There she is.
My mask from Japan.
That's from Japan. It's not really gold though.
No.
So the gold is in the extracts, I assume.
Yes, apparently so.
I think the Galaxy one was still worse on you. Because you look like a piece of meat.
Do you remember that day? You look like meat.
You look like a piece of meat on your face. So we're going to let this set and chill. It started to sting.
Thank you for sharing this panther day with me, David.
You're welcome. Love you.
Love you too.
When you're trying to watch YouTube and then this little one is constantly wanting something. But right now Steph has a bit of celery in her hand. And
no, she's already been out today.
She's been out, she's had treats, she's had food.
And now she wants more.
But she wants more and she's getting excited for this bit of celery.
I'm so scared because she always jumps out.
Oh, she's so sweet. It's okay, Jess.
She's gonna jump out, she's gonna...
Go on, Jess.
Don't encourage her.
Don't, she's getting excited. Oh no, Jess, don't do it.
See what I mean?
She's her forward. She's completely off. I got that on camera as well. That is amazing. Don't snatch. This is what we have to deal with every night. Beautiful man like that, just looking for attention, licking his paws, and going, "Hi, can I just have some love?" Because right below the cage is a tub, and in that tub. Oh, we're not doing this again, Logan. We're not doing this again. Now, before I was talking, there's a tub below them, which has all their treats. But Logan has this thing with his water bottle. And with his water bottle, he's used to us squeezing it because when the old one used to get blocked up a lot, he would be like, "Come on." He'd be like, "Come on. Help us out." He's listening out because his ears are going up. And he's like, "They're talking about me there." And so this is what we have to deal with every time. Look at him, so proud. He's like he's on Pride Rock.
What's the matter, mate?
What's up, buddy?
What do you want?
Do you want some water? See? Lick, 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 lick.
See, it's working.
It's working, the bubbles are going.
You don't need our help.
Yeah. I think he's realised. Right folks, so we are all freshened up on the faces.
Hello.
Did you enjoy yourself?
I did.
It's very good.
I feel a bit calm and zen.
I feel energised because of the actual thing. It's an energising.
Is it?
It was, yeah.
You're going to be up all night, aren't you?
Exactly, yeah. So we're going to end today's vlog. Thank you very much for checking it out. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah. A bit of shopping, a bit of home. Got to see the rabbits doing their thing that they always do to us every night. But thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. We really do appreciate it. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell so you're notified of our next video, which of course is
tomorrow.
So we shall see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Good
see you
night.
later.
Bye.
Bye.